In the last video, we picked our platform. Now it's time to actually get inside. Most beginners rush this step. They sign up quickly, skip security, and jump straight into trading. And that's usually where the problems start. Before you place a single trade, you need to set things up properly. This is your foundation. Let's start with the account. Go to the registration page. You'll find the link in the channel description. Quick note: using that link supports the channel. It's completely free for you. You keep all bonuses, and the platform helps support the content through its partner program. In the registration form, fill in your email, create a strong password, then hit Get My Welcome Gifts. You'll see a verification step pop up. Just match the image to continue. After that, you'll get a code in your email. Enter it to confirm your account. Once you're in, you'll be prompted to verify your account. This is required for full access to trading and usually takes only a few minutes. Click Get Verified Now and follow the steps. You'll need an ID document and a camera for face verification. If you don't have a camera on your computer, you can do it through the mobile app. You'll find the link in the top right corner of your account. Once you're done, your account status will update automatically. Now secure your account. I strongly recommend enabling two-factor authentication. This protects your funds from unauthorized access. In trading, control starts with security. Go to Account, Security, Google two-factor authentication, click Settings, and follow the instructions. That's it. Your account is set up and your environment is ready. In the next step, we will explore the platform interface, move on to the main trader tools and the elements of the trading terminal. You've completed preparation. Now understanding begins.